What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you guys know that I like doing things on a budget, trying not to spend things. So I like a good deal, whenever I can pick something up. And that's literally the motto of Straight Cookies, built on a budget. So in today's video, I have partnered with Temu to highlight some products and just the value that company can bring when you're looking for various things. So I partnered with them to bring you guys some automotive products. So let's jump into those. So if you didn't know, Temu offers free shipping and returns for up to 90 days on anything that you buy. They've got a delivery guarantee. So something that I really like, if you purchase a product from them and within 30 days, the price drops on that product, you can request a partial refund on what you've bought, which I think is awesome. So you can get these products and thousands of more if you download the Temu app. I have a link in the description below. And also I'll have a link to all of these items in the description below as well. Also guys, if you put my code DNN3846 in the search bar or click the link below, you'll get a $100 coupon bundle. So be sure to do that. That's like free money. And also don't forget that new Temu app users can pick one of my choices today for just $1. All right, so first up, let's go with this one here. This is the Slim LED light bar. It's a 20-inch spot and flood combo. And I don't know, you have to pardon me, I don't know where my tripod is because we're right in the middle of moving. So it's packed up somewhere. I'm gonna do this one-handed. Oh, I got some brackets, I think. Yep, brackets. It is listed at $21.49, which I think is a pretty good deal. It's aluminum constructed, so yeah, I'm excited to try it out. Probably gonna throw it on either the front of this or the front of the Kia, but that's that. Okay, next up, we've got a Audisi, I think is how you say it. Audisi open-end wrench tool set. Try and get this out here. So the set that I got is the 8-piece set, and that was $22.99. But they've got multiple varieties of different sizes, or different set sizes. So this goes from 6mm up to 19. Nice little carrying case, Velcro strap. I'm gonna leave this rolled up and throw it in the back of one of the cars in case of emergency. So great little cheap tool set that you can just, get a couple of them, throw them in each of your vehicles just to have around in case of emergency. So another great thing about Temu prices being so low that you can buy multiple sets of these, not break the bank, and have tools in your cars. Because I've broken down numerous times and been saved, or saved other people by having some just basic tools on me. Okay, next up, falling into that same category, we have the V519 Custom Universal Car OBD2 Diagnostic Scanner. Again, great tool to have for working on your car, other people's cars. So this one was a steal, $16.99. Let's open it up here. Maybe. Yeah. User manual, plugs into your OBD2 port. So yeah, that'll be nice to have, throw in a glove box, throw in a toolbox, be able to read codes and figure out what's going on with your car or someone else's car. So again, great deal at $16.99. All right, next up, we have a power circuit probe tester for 6 to 24 volt. And this was $13.32. Again, super cheap. Nice basic tool. Plenty of length on the cables there. So again, something really useful to have around for basic diagnostic work. Okay, last but not least, got a little dash cam here. This is a 3-camera dash cam, 1080p. It does front and inside recording. And it also, I believe, if I remember correctly, we'll see. I think it comes with a backup camera too. box is a little mangled. All right, what do we got here? And this was $27.26. So, yeah, there we got our backup camera. Power plug. Here is, yep, little mount. I believe it's suction cup. Yep, suction cup mount. Yep, suction cup mount. 32 gig memory card. And then the camera. Get this out of here without breaking it. Yep. So you got a camera on this side, and it swivels. And you got a little screen, another camera to face inside the car. So you've got inside facing, front facing, and then your backup camera. And got a user's manual. Probably throw that in one of the cars, probably the Kia here. Again, very useful down here. Very useful down here, you know, getting an accident, or useful anywhere. You get in an accident, you can't really refute what a camera says. Again, that was listed at $27.26. So again, great deal for a nice little dash cam. So guys, super simple to download the app. Go to the App Store, type in Temu, click download. Download's pretty quick. And then you can just jump right into it. They've got all sorts of different categories. Here you can see just some of the automotive products they got. Just thousands and thousands of different things. We got this wrench set here, 16 bucks. Great little set, throw in the back of your car, throw in your, you know, a side-by-side or wherever you might have, get you out of trouble. You got all sorts of automotive accessories, screens, seat covers. Here's some more of the tool sets that they got. Again, great little products at a very cheap, valuable price to just be able to save yourself from any troubles, or if you're just starting out on repairing things. Got all sorts of diagnostic tools, like I mentioned earlier, the scanners, various different scan tools, and diagnostic devices. Again, great value. Here's some more of the wrench sets they have, different combinations of SAE and metric, ratchet wrenches. This set here comes with a little tool bag, 12-piece set. Again, like I was saying earlier, throw it in the back of your truck, throw it in your side-by-side, and get yourself out of a pinch. And again, these are also tools that, you know, because they're so cheap, if you lose them, you're not out of much money. You lose a bunch of other, you know, more expensive tools, that's not going to feel great. Again, wide variety of tools. Nice 50-piece SAE and metric socket wrench set here with a ratchet for 79 bucks. Great gift ideas as well. We got Christmas coming up, so another great gift options. You know, any gearhead in your family or friends would love some extra wrenches and tools to have around. And here's some more light bar options. Thousands and thousands of different products. And this is just the automotive stuff in tools. There's even more products or more categories than that. You got automotive, you've got a men's category, home category, they've got a kids section, electronics, you name it, it's on here. And it's going to be at a great price. They're going to ship it to you for free. Like I mentioned earlier, if the price changes, you can ask for a partial refund. So I've used Temu in the past. I've bought numerous products from them. So I use it a lot. So there you have it, guys. All 5 of these products combined, all together, is just over 100 bucks. So guys, do yourself a favor. Go on the website or download the app. pick up some of these wrenches or any of these products. Like I said, the link for all of these is in the description below. But do yourself a favor and pick up some basic tools, throw in your car, some basic diagnostic stuff that you can do yourself, and it'll help you out in the long run. Like I said, they got thousands of automotive products on there as well as tons of other stuff. So all that information is in the link below, in the description below. So check it out, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.